Hi everyone, welcome to my channel SAP Business One Simplified. In today's video, we will create a dashboard in SAP Business One HANA, which will show the top 5 sales orders. Okay, so let's go. We will write in simple query from the sales order ORDR table to get the top 5 sales order by its value, and then save the same to get the same output in a dashboard form. We will select the top 5 document number, card code, and document total from the ORDR table, and we will take the data from the table order by descending so that the top values from the table comes in the top. Now I will save the query to my query manager. Name the query as top 5 sales order by value. To create a count type of dashboard, I will go to the menu tools, then cockpit, and then count wizard setup. In the add mode of the count wizard setup, I will give the dashboard a code, name, and some description, and then by pressing the choose query button, I will select my query, and then save will click on the add button of the window. To add the dashboard in my SAP home screen, I will click on the pencil button and then wait for some time to load the list of dashboard. Now from the Business Object Count section, I will choose my created count type of dashboard, which I have created just now. I will click on the back button and now we'll update the changes. You can see here my new dashboard is ready, and this is showing 5 number of sales orders which my query is giving as an output. This was an example of count type of dashboard. Now I will create a chart type of dashboard using the same query. To create a chart type of dashboard, I will click on Pervasive Analytics and click on the plush icon on the new dashboard. Here I will select the same query. Click on OK. Drag and drop the target measurement and the target dimensions as X and Y axis of the chart. You can click on the drop-down of each measurement to sort it or rename or to change the calculation type. You can use multiple target measure for a same chart. My dashboard is ready. I will save the dashboard with a new name. Once the dashboard is created successfully, just close the window and then click on the same pencil icon again. Click on the plush button and then wait a minute. Search and select your created dashboard from the list of the dashboard. If you are unable to find the dashboard, then you can type the name of it and hit search button.
Pin it to save.
Go back. Save it, and your chart type of dashboard is ready and added to your home screen. One sales order is showing high value, which creating the dashboard not good looking. Let us just block this high value sales order from the query so that it looks cool. I will write a condition here as where the sales order document number not equal to 8, so that it does not show in my dashboard. I am uploading SAP Business One related videos in this channel. Please share your thoughts in the comments section in which module or topic of SAP you want to see next video. To get more updated about SAP Business One tricks and tips and tutorial, please like the video and please subscribe my channel and support us.
Thank you.